I hope the plants won't be covered in snow.
I hope, Ace.
Yeah, because I want
'Cause
plants.
I don't want them to freeze.
Yeah, Mommy, I don't love, sometimes I don't love snow because sometimes it gets in our plants.
Aww.
Yeah, Mommy, you know when it's snowing, the ground is white?
Yep.
Yeah, we're almost seeing white too.
Yeah.
Wow. And look, the snowflakes are falling on the ground
Yep.
and the sidewalk.
Yeah.
You know what that means?
What, Ace?
It's snowing. Welcome to Ace Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Zoe first.
You're not gonna be able to make a snowman if you keep sleeping. Look at Mommy's garden.
Wow! And my apple and lemon.
Yeah. It's all melting, AC. You're making footprints.
Huh?
Got my strawberries. Icicles falling on us. It's a winter wonderland, Ace.
This?
Yeah, look at all your twigs that you collected. Ace, look.
Wow, my slide. This turned into a snow slide. Oh, and there's ice.
Mm-hmm.
Look!
Like an icicle.
Yeah. They're good. Very good shapes too.
Snow fight.
You mean snowball?
Mm-hmm.
So let's make that snow. Snowman.
You want to lay down and make a snow angel?
Oh, okay. As long as I throw this.
All right, let's cover your hair because you're getting, that's what you don't want.
Oh, got to get snow.
All right, you can lay down right here. All right, stop. Just lay down. Arms out. Make a snow angel. Ah. All right, hop up. Hop up, Ace.
It's not
You're
done
gonna
yet.
soak. All right, hop up, hop up, hop up. Look back at it.
It's a snow angel.
How awesome is that?
Cool. Cool angel.
All right. Oh, I gotta brush you off, AC, before it soaks through.
Mommy, the whole ground is snow. Wow.
Look at your toy.
Wow, Mommy.
What happened?
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, I know it was ice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Ace, look at your goal.
Daddy,
Mm.
everything is snow. Let's make the snowman.
All right.
Got to make a big ball. Ooh.
Is the cream filled kind?
No. It's snow. It tastes crunchy.
Look at that long icicle.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're gonna have a stomach ache. Ace, we gotta make this snowman before your mitten gets too soaking wet. I need to try it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's very good.
But I don't want to.
Come on. If it's just gonna be a little bite. It's not.
Yep, it melted all in my mouth. Oh. I'm full.
I'm gonna try some more icicles.
Please don't eat no more.
But I do.
Oh my gosh. So where do you think we should make our snowman? Where's a good space? Right here?
Yeah, right here.
All right, let's get started.
Come on, Mommy. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, that's a nice concept, Ace. You roll it. Oh. And then you got a big ball. Cool.
Huh. Thanks.
You're welcome.
If I never tried snow, I never tried to eat snow. It's ice.
It is ice.
Thanks.
Stop acting like you're hungry out here, boy. No eat no more. Aye, stop it. No eat no more. Gonna get sick. That's enough. I'm taking it nice and big. You want it bigger? You're gonna make it bigger?
Yeah.
All right.
It's really big.
Oh, that's how small you want it to be?
Pretty. Pretty.
All right, keep going.
It's heavy though.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. How do you feel? You build your first snowman. How do you feel?
Good.
Okay. Picking up a footprint.
Huh?
Picking up a footprint.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Look at these long ones.
You need to put your hoodie on it. No, don't sit on it.
Mommy, you should make snow.
Can you believe our snow fell apart? It's crazy. Oh, look at that tushy. So full of ice. 1, 2, 3, woo! Huh?
That part. It's gonna be like.
We gotta fill it in, Ace.
It's snow, people.
Hmm?
You know, snow is ice.
I know, Boomy.
Yeah.
When did you find that out? Hey!
You might see ice.
Look at that snotty nose of yours. Ah! Ace, our snow is all melting. I present you my Frosty the Snow Ace. What, Ace? What, Ace? What do you think of our snowman? You need a moment?
He's not 5 years old.
He's not?
No.
How old do you think he is? How old?
4.
Okay.
I don't know. What day?
Today is Saturday.
I mean, what day of month? You can't call just a day. It's a day of month. You can't say. So.
It's with the wrong mama, Ace.
Not this time.
Not this time.
What do you think? Huh? You got the wrong kid, Ace. You got the wrong kid, Mommy.
You got the wrong mommy, Ace.
You could see like it?
Hmm?
You could see like it?
What you think you doing there, Ace?
Making a snowball.
Ah! Avalanche!
This me. I did catch you, right?
Yep.
But I'm gonna make another one. Not the worstest ball ever.
Avalanche! He got me, guys. He got me.
You see?
Look at you. Your ears are filled with ice.
See that? I know it.
You have to sit on the sled.
Okay.
And then...
Somebody's gonna push me?
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I'm not sledding.
I can't sled. I can't push. You gotta put your foot to the side. I don't know. I guess we can't sled. It's not a hill. This child is just sitting here eating this yuck. It's yuck. It's yuck. Your stomach is gonna be in yuck later. Yes, you. That tummy of yours. Alright, Ace, well I guess you can't sled.
But I want to. Hey, let's make it.
Okay, see? All the yards are covered in snow. Probably so. That's the Ace. All the snow is gone.
Penguins just love you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're just... We enjoyed our first snow day. And I was so happy and we made a snowman. And these are the pictures for our snow day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.